All right there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 14 with our February daily math. Right away, it looks like we have a part whole problem right off the bat. Number one here. 462 equals a number plus 70. So what we need to do is take the whole, the 462, and we're going to take away the 70. I know it's a plus sign, but we don't have that number, so that really is a subtraction problem, okay? Just because there's a plus sign doesn't mean we're going to add. All right, so we're going to start with 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 7, there's more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. 16 minus 7, we have 6 and 3 is 9. And 3 minus nothing is 3. So there's our 392. Plus 70 is 462. All right, draw hands on the clock to show 10:40. So let's do our minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes. So I'm going to draw that minute hand all the way out and touch the minutes. Okay, and now the hour is 10. So it has to be somewhere between the 10 and the 11. So it's on that side of the halfway mark. So I'm going to move my hour hand in between the 10 and 11. And if anything, maybe it's even just a pinch closer to the 11, but it's there. Okay, that is 10:40. Number 3 says, fill in the missing numbers on this multiplication chart. All right. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. So 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. So 9 times 7 is 63. And 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 9, 72. 9 times 8, 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. All right, great job with those, boys and girls. Very nice. Write a division equation to describe this model. Well, I'm going to go backwards on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to put them into a 4 like that. And then I'm going to count mine going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can kind of go backwards on here, and I can think 4 times 7 is 28. So rather than counting all of those, 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 divided by 4 is 7, or 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So either way there, you'll be good to go. All right, last one, number 5. Write 3 even numbers that are less than 30. Well, it's the very first one less than 30 that's even. 29, 28, okay. And we have 16. That's an even number. That's less than 30. And 4. 4 is less than 30. All right, there we are, boys and girls. If you had one wrong or need to make some corrections or something, go ahead. Check them off there. Write your score down. And we will see you tomorrow for day 15.